sew a curved hip pocket. So we've got a sheet of instructions, and you've also got your 3 little pieces that you need to create the pocket. So the larger one is the skirt front, this is the pocket bag, and this is the pocket facing. So step number 1, you take the facing and place it on top of the skirt front. And what we're going to do is stitch these 2 together. So you've got your right side and right sides together, and we're going to do a little row of stitching around here. Just joined that there together. Now we're going to do what we call a flat stitch. A flat stitch is really important and helps that whole curve roll over. It's simply facing the facing side outwards like that, and making sure the seam is facing the facing, and you just make sure that's nice and flat there. So open that all the way up. See how that's facing there? Pop that under the machine and stitch as close as you can to the seam on the facing side. Okay. Nice and easy. Okay, there we go. Now, I'm just going to fold that under and flip it over. You can give that a press so it all sits nice and flat. I'll just use my fingers to flatten that. Okay. There we go. Now, we take the pocket bag next, and you flip it over. So your right side and your right sides match together, and actually just follow the shape, which is a curve, and just put those together, those 2 pieces together, and stitch all the way around the curve. So I've picked that up, and it's a 1 centimetre seam. Be careful around the curve. A bit tricky. Now, of course, if you're a little bit worried, you can and you must, if you're not very confident with sewing, pin all your pieces exactly the way I've sewn them. Just keep your pins on them. All right, so now I'm just going to sit that flat, and that's what it should look like. Nice and flat like that. And we're almost there, nearly finished. So the last step now is to just overlock that end there, those seams, because you cannot have a raw edge. See how it frays? So again, if you do not have an overlocker, you can use the zigzag on your machine. Okay, so if you do have an overlocker, you can use your overlocker to overlock that seam. Otherwise, use the zigzag on your plain machine. Okay. Be very careful when you go around the curve. And there we are. That's what I've done there. Okay, everybody, so far We've overlocked, we've sewn the pocket. Now the only bit that we have to do is actually stitch it down on the sides, where I'm just going to pin that in place there. So it's keeping that nice and flat there. And then also along the top here. And there are notches, so follow the notches. And we'll just pin that down. And then we've got our pocket done. Okay. One side, now I'll do the other side. And there we go, and there's our pocket.